2022 tax season updates. Today I have a video for you that I'm going to talk about the 2022 tax season updates. We're now in the year 2023, and as you know, the tax year in the US generally runs from January 1st until December 31st during the year. So now, since we're in January of the next year, we have to do some taxes. And there's a couple important updates that I wanted to share with you. The first update is that the IRS is opening the filing season as of January 24th. And I have this saved right here. Let's see if I can just pop it up. Nope. Add to stream. So the IRS is beginning the filing season on January 24th, and they are outlining the refund timing. The IRS has also said in different articles that most people are not going to get refunds this year. And most people are going to have smaller refunds than last year. And that's because many of the different stimulus checks and many of the different incentives and government money they were giving out is not being given out for 2022. So if you're a U.S. person, you're paying taxes in the U.S., especially if you have kids, you're probably not going to get as much money as you got the year before if nothing else changed. Also, we have on here April 15th is the tax deadline filing, which means that the 15th is on a weekend, which is great. It gives us tax professionals a couple extra days. If you're filing old returns, you can still file them. That's something that's really important. And if you are due refunds for prior year returns, you only have 3 years to make a refund claim. So if you are getting a refund and you haven't filed for 2018, no, it's due in 2019, 21, 22, 23. So if you still have time to claim a refund for 2018 if you haven't done it yet. And the last thing is from this taxpayer advocate.irs.gov. And the taxpayer advocate, they work for the IRS. And basically the IRS announced that they are postponing the 1099K thresholds requirements until the end of next year. And this 1099K is basically, to keep it really simplified, the IRS and the American Rescue Plan Act was passed, saying that basically all payment processors and people making payments of more than $600 or processing payments would have to file a 1099K to report that to the IRS. And it's mostly like Venmo, PayPal, Cash App. Third-party settlement organizations are required to report these 1099Ks. So that used to be a rule. Everyone was unhappy, and it's good for a lot of my clients because honestly, no one wants additional tax reporting. No one wants to see all these tax forms, 1099Ks, and if you and it's going to just make it easier for the reporting. So I wanted to share that with you as well. It doesn't really impact most of you because you're not going to issue these forms, but now you can understand if you just started a business and you got some payments, you won't expect to receive these forms either. So I wanted to share that as well. Everything else is basically it. I have another video I'm posting right now about what tax forms are due, who has to file 1099, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to do that in a separate video. But what tax forms you actually do have to file so that you are compliant with U.S. tax laws, you don't get penalties, and you don't get interest. So I didn't go over any penalties or any interest in the other video, but I'm going to go over that in a future video. This is just a short 2023 tax season updates for you that I wanted to share. And if you need help with your taxes and you need a new CPA, especially an international CPA, I encourage you to reach out to us. If you have tax questions, we have a Telegram group below. You can join in the description. I'd love to speak with you there. And we go live, trying to go live once a week. I'm a little behind, but we're doing it. Okay. Thanks for being here, and I'll see you on the next video.